Who doesn't love a good fairy tale? You know, the kind where someone just wakes up one day and boom, they're famous, rich and living the dream. But let's be real. Most of us wake up, head to the fridge and find nothing but expired milk. Here's the truth. Real success doesn't just knock on your door like a surprise pizza. It sneaks in quietly, built on the little things, and that 1% effort you put in every single day. People like to call it luck, but you know it's really about discipline. Think about all those overnight successes you admire. They were created in the shadows. While everyone else was sleeping, they were grinding. When there were no cheers, they still showed up. What you see is just the shiny surface of the iceberg. Underneath all that sparkle lies the heavy weight of sacrifices. It's the stuff they don't post about, the hard work that shaped them. Overnight success? It's like microwave pizza, hot on the outside but cold in the middle. But that 1% growth every day? That's like slow cooking a delicious meal where the flavors develop over time. It's rich, deep, and real. Sure, overnight success is sweet for a moment, but real growth? That's what truly nourishes you for the long haul. Let's break down some numbers. If you improve just a tiny bit, like 0.01 every day by the end of the year, that adds up to 3778. That's 37 times stronger, wiser, and more unstoppable than when you started. While everyone else waits for their big break, you're busy building your own success, step by step, quietly and powerfully. Here's the reality. You don't have to do anything huge. Just focus on moving yourself, 1 inch at a time. Read a page, go for a walk, take a deep breath, be kind to yourself. These aren't just small gestures, they're seeds. And when you nurture them daily, they turn into solid, unshakable growth. Motivation? It's loud, flashy, and exciting. But it can be as unreliable as that friend who promises they're on their way and then shows up a week later. Consistency, on the other hand, that's the quiet strength. It doesn't demand attention, it builds. It sticks around when the world turns its back, when you're feeling drained, and when that inner voice says, I can't. Consistency whispers back, yes you can. Overnight success is like a sugar. High. It feels great at first but crashes quickly. But that 1% daily growth, that's something solid. It's earned and real. It transforms dreamers into doers, and doers into legends. Because legends are forged in silence. One brick at a time, one drop of sweat, one small victory. So here's your challenge. Choose one thing and give it your all. Drink the water. Read that page. Take that step. One day your future self will look back and be grateful that you didn't overlook the little things. If this resonates with you, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe and let's embark on this journey to becoming unstoppable together. And drop a comment. What's your 1% today?